Imagine the biting cold of winter, the kind that makes you want to bundle up in layers of cozy sweaters. Now think about the warm, comforting foods that make those chilly days a little more bearable. But have you ever wondered which of these foods are best for your children during this season? First on the list, there's the classic homemade vegetable soup. Brimming with carrots, peas, and sweet potatoes, this comforting dish is a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. Next, consider starting the day with a bowl of oatmeal with fruits. Oats offer a much-needed burst of energy and fiber, while fresh fruits like berries or bananas add a dash of natural sweetness and additional nutrients. For a cozy weekend treat, whole grain pancakes make a delicious option. Topped with a moderate drizzle of maple syrup and some diced fruit, these pancakes pack a nutritious punch. Moving on to baked sweet potatoes, a winter favorite. Loaded with beta-carotene, these offer a natural sweetness that kids can't resist, and they're great for eye health too. Chicken and vegetable stew is another excellent choice. Slow cooked to perfection, this dish provides the protein, vitamins, and minerals necessary for a child's growth and development. For a sneaky way to include veggies, try a broccoli and cheese casserole. Rich in vitamin C and fiber from the broccoli and calcium from the cheese, it's a balanced and nutritious dish. And who could forget the all-time favorite, macaroni and cheese? Opt for a homemade version using whole grain pasta and you've got a kid-friendly comfort food that's also healthy. For a snack, a fruit and yogurt parfait can work wonders. Layered with seasonal fruits and a sprinkle of granola, it offers a good balance of protein, vitamins, and fiber. Before bedtime, a cup of warm milk with honey can be soothing. This drink not only helps children relax, but also provides essential calcium for bone health. Finally, consider making a homemade vegetable pizza. With a whole grain crust, tomato sauce, and an array of colorful veggies, it's a fun and nutritious meal that kids can help prepare. In summary, winter brings a host of comfort foods that can be both tasty and nutritious for children. From hearty soups and stews to warm oatmeal and pancakes, these foods offer a wealth of nutrients essential for growth and development. Remember, it's crucial to consider any food allergies or dietary restrictions your child may have while incorporating these foods into their diet. So, as you navigate the cold winter months, keep these food options in mind to ensure your children get the nutrition they need. And remember, cooking together can make mealtime more enjoyable and encourage healthy eating habits. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel